putara see this thing that is going on. Kapokele these two women, these two ladies. Kajwa ha ajuju. Gini nese. Gini na afio. What is going on? Can you guys forget this? Or can you guys forge ahead? Or can you guys apologize to each other? Onwere onye kwuru ya no. Onwere onye mere ya no. I felt humiliated. Ihe akpọrọ the whole of ndị Igbo nọ na social media. This same ndị Igbo ka m pụtara and stood for them and agitated with them for nwere onwe ndị Igbo without minding anything. Without minding na mụnwa nwata nwaanyị gara di n'ije mba n'obodo Awụsa, obodo ugwu. Without minding that this is a nwata nwaanyị na-alụ di n'aka ndị Fulani. I came out. We did the fight together without minding anything. At some point, I mean, all of you Nonabunu, you guys does not even know what I was passing through inside the northern region. Nobody knows. Just because I felt, okay, all them they here. I can't just leave them, no matter what, no matter, in fact, even at that point, the whole thing was almost ruining my marriage, but I still never cared. The day I quit from my agitation of the referendum of Ndinkai was Mohammed Charanak Sabo a Sabotua. I came out. I cried. I shed tears. I'm like, Munka, na sabotage on how? On which ground? Kag sikwan na gini. On what? But still, ndị mụ na ha na-achụkwa the same freedom. They came out na akpọ m esabotua. I look up, I look down. I'm like, does these people really want life risks they take to them? Do they really want it? I know how many times my support, in fact, even I'm not gonna say much, but I know how many times my support I call the attention of my husband. I know how many times. When I said calling attention, where the call should be coming from, I still see that I will see the end. I remember when I spoke with Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa told me, "Nne, Itrayana, you have tried, you have done your best. For now, calm down. For your safety." I remember that time. He told me, "Nne, bar break." But still, the people Anu ended up saying that I look like the Anwa Hanacho. Why? Because a lady called Ogechi Okeke Njaka Muri that she must destroy me. Now this blew up. That all get destroy him. That I will watch Now I will not watch anything again. Young Wadi, she used to say it. You guys were seeing it. At a point, I had to send somebody. Go and beg her for me. Okay, I'll go there now. O feel it na major. Ya hapo maka. Ya hapo family mo. Ya hapo umunne mo. Ya hapo everybody that related to me. I know that lady, Amaramonyo, was like, she said she's a police officer, Obi Abuja here. Because I used to forget so many of these people. And the lady, I believe the lady got watch her that thing, she will still come back to her platform and start where she stopped from. Sometimes I, like those videos some people were playing, of course, when it's too much for me, I do come out sometimes and talk. But even that I'm talking, I never showed her picture. I never said, this is you here. Like she indicated so many of my pictures and said that I should take her anywhere. I remember when she removed the picture of my child. I have the video. Picture of my daughter Mkunanka. Na she nwa na-eji ka anga ahia. Na nwa na-eji ka anga ahia na akpọ ikwikwi na lekwede nwa ikwikwi alekwe nwa na nwa jiri ya. O megidele ha to the extent she sent people to my village. Ha ga video mam. Ebe mam no na aso nko na meal. They should go and video my mom. The lady and I know the thing. Who don't you buy yourself? And this is the same lady. One na one way zende buy. One na so more wonye ji. Efi in terms, I don't know about men. More wine. Wonye ji efi we gara ya condolence. Gara ya mbaru na buy. Ndi buy na mbaru. Egoro nama bugara ya na bea. She's not my friend. I don't know her. Muna ya da na bankata. I think I saw her twice in my whole life when we were young kids. But yana this same lady came out to destroy me. The lady not there now why about my family, about my mother, about my pamaungo, about umunnem. Or what he had that day. And that was the day Ndi Chedinabai gave me victory on this whole thing. Because Ezebai Mua was also one Burunama, where a Jembaru Nabea. It's just like parents in Nam de Kanu, Mazin Namo de Kanu. Esimbai send their people, Hajiru Dehi, where Jembaru condolence visit to Abia State. But this same lady came to humiliate me. And that was the day Ogechi Beragoshi picture. Now see, you kidnapped these children. You kidnapped them. Take me to anywhere. Ndi chedina na bai within na ya nwuru ne nje ehi were jemerog. That day ka ha gbara marire. There is nothing this lady did not do to me. Onwere ihe ade eme no me for. And all of you were watching. Onwere onye pụtara in the whole of this blue app. Simone. Onya emediri again more again. All of you are watching happily. Why she swear. Even when I sent for someone to go and beg her for me. Guy yora monya, she happened to my can. Let her leave. At a point I left. Maybe I have put my social media myself. I don't even come in again. I don't even do it again. At a point I have to leave. I still almost 2 years or 3 years. That's why it's like my page is coming up now. I don't do media again. I don't do stuff again. Maybe no I go to TikTok and like maybe I just go off. I'm a woman. Before these things happen, people come to watch me. And when I feel like watching others, I go to their platform, I watch them. She comes there, start attacking me. That I must go off social media. Even that she said it, I did what she said and left the social media for her. O megide me hem ju mumwi. Kama maga ha choge. Instead maga ha choge. Let the worst happen. I'm not gonna repeat Iyahumuru because I've fulfilled that Iyahumuru. When any member of my family, she did not humiliated. Onwuru. Ometara kwa adanne mu ko umunnem niine. I'm like, you are going too far. How I wish you make them get happen nozo. I will have the mind of forgiving. I will have the mind of letting go. I've never seen such a thing. I have never. In my whole life, I have never, and I don't wish to see something like this again. And don't you know something like this again? I will go more than where I went now. Anybody guys know our problem here? You will come out humiliating me. I don't want to have issue with anybody again. I have tried my best. So someone Igbo Gradi na Lausa that came out to stood for her people. It's fine. But all I'm going to say is, even the people that are supporting her now, in Kawana, I don't want to mention names. You guys saw when all these things was happening. People that I'm put that today will call him, you are our father. We will call him, you are our mentor. We will call him, you are our hero. They saw all these things. They could not call the both of us and like Ubakandojerun. They could not invite us. They could not put us on conference call. They did it. They allowed these things to keep going on. At some point, I'm like, does it mean that Igbos hated me? God, get me. I felt like on a high hate I hate when I'm making a high guinea. While I'm the same person that stood, make it down because of my sin no more they can. I did a book. And everybody saw it. And I came even when they were arresting. Biafra. They will arrest you. Each of my birthday, I dedicated it to him. While Mji were pick your interest on this whole thing was always on preaching, ya name. You know, get the preaching. The preaching I name peganya. Negoshigi. What is happening around the world, not even just our own country. He's preaching and name peganya. Ghana are the more enlightened. Now, what is going on? That was when I started picking interest. And I'm like, okay, let's do this whole thing together. I'm a Mumbane, like the whole thing was so, it was so, I mean, so good too much. I know when I came out on a video mirror, mpụta in as much as nlokwara di n'ala ugwu mpụta nkọwara ndị ugwu na ka ndị Igbo dị na ka ndị ugwu dị. The whole thing went everywhere. A na-akpọ na call a na-ekwu ọkwa nwunye gị na-eso ndị Igbo na-eme ọnwụ maka na di m hụrụ m n'anya like love o nwere ebe nọ mụ na di m esechala because of this agitation of a thing. And I capitalized him na di m hụrụ m n'anya. That's why I'm just stood firm and do it. Ama m na worst come to worst ọ gaghị achị m la. He can only gradually na try ma m ga-ejiri ya nwayọ. But at the end of the day, all I could get from everyone was nobody cares. Mandi na-abịa asị m hapụga ya. Mandi na-abịa asị m ahapụla ya. Nobody cares. Nobody asked me. Nobody called. Even the people we should look up to them still went in getting sand for her. Instead of this same person, Womanaya, and Omanaya Kwoku, I will listen to what he said. Yakwoku, I cannot say no. If he opens his mouth and say Nne Ozula, I will not say no. But all they do was, okay, let us fight with this lady. Let us do it with this lady. I will not say anything. But the Kayama she will put a we no way can happen, no get destroy him. I hope you guys saw where the whole thing is today and where the whole thing has landed everybody. I'm gonna say this thing now. N'ime obi mu, inside my heart, eburuzim Ogechi n'obi. Before I had her n'ime obi mu, o nwere ara sị gị na mmadụ na-ese okwu ga-eburu onye ahụ n'obi. And when once ibu mmadụ n'obi, ọ Chineke ka ọ dịra, both you and your thoughts and your mind. But I don't have her n'ime obi me again. Eburuzim ya n'obi cha-cha. But all I'm going to say, justice must prevail. There is nothing I can do about this whole thing. It's beyond me. Okwanorozim Njaka. I have fulfilled iyimuru. O megidem here si na o ga-destroy him. Nwụkwani na aga m ahapụ ya. Mụ na anyị ga-emegide dịga gọọmenti ekpe ikpe mụ na ya. She used to say, she would come out and say, I have destroyed you, I have all the videos. Then the moment that I will not let go until ekpere mụ na ya ikpe. And this is it today now. We are on the process. Ka ekpere mụ na ya ikpe ahụ. And I'm happy. And I fulfilled ihe ahụ m nwụrụ with ụmụazị m. But all I'm going to say is justice must prevail. Always the justice God is in Aka. Or where is the head is in Aka. So I don't want people coming to tell me, don't leave her or leave her. No. Where were all of you watching me now? Mgbo two of us na-enwe this problem. Onwe onye si nne selata tụ aka. Nne hapụkwana nwaanyị ozuole. Even when I sent the policewoman twice. I can't recall her name, but Obezira Abuja. I sent her, I'm like, please go and beg this woman to leave me. She's an American citizen. The same thing. Because Unuma na be ebulim because of Yawa. And what am issue with you people? Uno happen manka. If you guys don't want to leave me alone, I will make sure Nigerian government, under the office of Chief of Army Staff, they will write to American Army, American soldier. They will write them. They will write them. Uno wanna be on her behalf. Because when I say it, you people will think and start saying she's threatening people or not. It's not a threat. Uno hapo maka. Because uno newe nsobu. Uno hapo maka. I'm begging all of you. You people should leave me. I've realized that now. Otum shiwere we umuibo. And risk myself to them, my life to them. If you people continue, the next, they will call the attention of her husband. Nigerian government will call the attention of US military. They will call their attention. He will start knowing. US army with so person's wife, they will know what is going on. Uno happen Marika. Uno happen. You people should leave me alone. You people should leave me. Let me have peace. Because what you guys did to me has caused so many things to me. Has caused BP to me. Has caused so many things to me. If she cannot tell you people to leave me, next they will signal American Army with her idea to call his attention. And I have his videos as well. Ebo sokwane kum. Uno hapo maka kwa okwa beregodi like this. You people should leave me. I am begging all of you. You people should leave me. I don't know my Facebook. I came here to fight with my people for their referendum, for their freedom. I came here for the liberation of my people, nothing more. I don't need anything from Facebook app, whatever, money or whatever. You guys can see my page for so many years. I'm not interested on that. She came here for one thing or the other. Since I'm not loved, I'm not welcome, people are regarding me as anything. Because of at least regard them. How can make a dozier? And I will accept it because I don't want all those things going on. But nobody did. All they enjoyed, they derived joy. Because you people should leave me alone. Because if you guys continue, I'm telling you guys the truth. If you guys don't want to leave me, the next thing you people will hear that yes, Nigerian government are called the attention of US Army. I call upon the attention of her husband. I have forgiven her deep inside my heart. And this forgiveness is coming from, number one, I have fulfilled with so much because all make them here. Now only justice get people manaya. The same thing get destroying my social media. Not get destroying my career. Not get destroying my political ambition. And everyone was watching. You need destroy your own career. ị na-destroy onye mara agbara o ji wee bịa ụwa nke ya. Please, I'm begging all of you, ka udo chia. Ị nọrọ na platform gị hapụ m aka. Akọgaha m n'ubi gị. I will never call anybody's name until my end time. I will refer to anybody or I will call anybody's name. I will never. But if you don't leave me alone, if you don't leave me, you people now potane ne bully me together with her. If you guys did not leave me alone, ya uno name me moya magana no the idea. Una sekwane oba jore dorunu like everyone choosing half from. I don't mind. I cannot withstand this kind of trauma again. I cannot withstand this kind of humiliation again. I can't even when they would do to withstand it again. I cannot, because I went through hell. Unu sikwana no muwaziga wozonyo no pota unu ejina emehe soro unu. I swear to God, imecha m if ile na no Nigeria, gi na eme me ihe, then again when abroad you have all the rights to bully. Is your First Amendment right. Imecha m ilota Nigeria, government ekpere m na gi ikpe. So unu hapụ m biko, onwe onye m ga-achọ, agaghị nkwa m ịchọ mmadụ, onye ọla nọrọ onwe ya. You people should leave me in peace. Since all these things there's a lot to talk about, a lot to air, but I'm not this kind of person. Check from when this thing bidoro, I haven't come out and sat down like this. All these things. A lot. I keep hearing people, this person will be saying this, that person will be saying this, but don't want to know anything from my own mouth. And I'm not interested to start talking, this is what is happening, this is what is going on. I don't am interested. All I want is, I want my peace. And at the same time, I want the peace of everyone on this social media app. You people should create peace for yourselves. Both you that is watching me and both Ogechi as well. Onya will create a peace. Maryam the way they are seeing us, as in these people are something else. Maryam had pushing like that. Ndị ugwu na ahụta ndị Igbo something else. Ndị Yoruba na ahụ ndị Igbo something else. Because ha ncha nọkwa na this same blue app, this social media. But nke ndị Igbo ka njọ. Every time it's all about fighting each other, fighting themselves. I think it's hard time. Onye will stop warrior. You guys should stop. Mando Ogechi na fight, Mando na fight Ogechi. The whole thing has ended. You know, now. You guys should use your platform and start up another thing. It's not an issue to be talking about. All governments got their anaka. If you come to your page, I believe you should focus on another thing. Onye na government ga-enwe issue. Onye ahụ agacha lọta, onye ahụ sikwa na ọ ga-emekwa the same thing mere ya nwe problem. Except maybe onye ahụ adigo addicted to that. But onye ọla on his rightful senses, inwe problem once. Ị gacha nke ahụ lọta, gị jikwalata onwe gị. The two persons I respected on this whole thing that I would have tried my best. Was my mom and Ogechi's mother. These two mothers, they were the people I listened to them. Yawuruna yenda nine ma ya onwe nke ya ma ndị ya na ya so ya wụrụ na ha pụtara mee ya mgbe ekwesịrị ịchọwa ewu ojii before chi ejie mee ya in a way all the supposed to handle. I don't think that this whole thing would have gone far like this. Should I say it's the will of God? Or everybody is trying to see, okay, can marry more can Megan. And when I married here, police are the Madebo. Police are the Madabo. It's all about your evidence, my evidence, other people's evidence. Once and for all, this is limitation of other things. This is limitation of other things. That's all. Please. Achom kudochia. Onye la n'oro nwe onye la focus so. If you on social media, ya won't mind you, that is your problem. But for me, I'm not interested, and I'm no longer interested. And the man on social media, the number, don't call me. Don't call me. Because when you keep relating with some certain people, you want a problem, Ganadi. If this blue app, you have my number, don't call me. Don't WhatsApp me. Just day your day. I don't need all these things. Any day more than I'm more. I am done, I am dusted. Because it's all about nonsense talking. Nothing more. All I know that justice must prevail. Mbwanta mbobna, come rain, come sun. Eteroba eterose. Next time, you guys wonder our elders that we are looking up to. You people should try and make peace. I'm got a lot of people coming to my inbox. Men of God. A lot. But these same people were there, but this problem never happened for years. And I watch. You get very sad moments mmadụ ibe gị na-catch phone. Apụta na-ekwu mmadụ ibe gị ya na-atọ gị. And when all these things was happening, you guys will not see me talking. You guys will not see me saying anything. I will not come to my platform. Uno na-echekwa onye a, how does she used to feel? Uno na-echekwa ya. Today now I have BP because of this thing. Am I hiding it? I'm not hiding it. Mgbe ị ga-anọ mmadụ ibe gị a na-ekwu nne gị na-ekwu nna gị, ọ na-ebi echiche. Okwu ụmụ gị, ya kpọọ gị uncircumcised, ya kpọọ gị alụmajiri, ya kwuo nne gị, ụsụra nne gị, ma ọkwa na ụmụazị na-ara nne gị. Ndị Igbo, I swear to God, ndị Igbo, ma dimkpa, ma nwata, ndị Igbo, if you people cannot come out and stand firm, una hapụ ihe ọjọọ many of you people na-eme mere n'ihu gwompete na nso. I swear to God, Alibo ga na-enwe problem steady. Ya unu agaghị stop unu hụ ebe mmadụ ibu unu na-agafe limits of line ya, unu agaghị kpọọ onye ahụ dụọ ya ọdụ ma ọkwa nne stop ma ọ na stop ma ọkwa nke egbu udo. Ya wuru na ala ugwu ka mụ na this girl na-enwe problem a. Mma all this ndị malam abata na this case. Ndị malam ahụ dịka like our pastors. Ha abata na this case. They will caution us. They will invite us. That's how they do. I'm not about ndị Yoruba because I don't really know their culture. Mana ndị Igbo ga-anọrọ ụmụ Igbo ala egbu onwe ha na-egbu ụmụnne ha na ụmụnne ha na-ese na-ekwu Hana watch, na catch your phone. Make it like it's fun and you don't know how the other person feels. So please, you people should talk to yourselves. We have people we look up to them. They should start doing the right thing. Everybody is on this social media app. Even the dignitaries, I'm not on Instagram. Many of them were accounts, but they don't handle it. And I go see how many people that handles it for them. Some of them even do it by themselves. They see what is going on. So because Imana those your gangs, like you used to call them warriors, talk to them. Because if they continue, so no Maryam, what problem, huh? The whole thing, all mona get organized. If they continue, all mona get organized. All mona get ganese. All mona get gana find this whole thing. If they continue, all mona get. So I don't want this thing to continue like this. Go better. Me too, I'm begging you. Talk to them. But if you don't want to talk to them, if they continue, I told you, the next thing they will invite your husband on this issue. In the sense that the American government, the military, where your husband is working, what is going on this blue app with you and I and other people as well. So what happened so that let's just know how to sort this whole thing out. See how they should leave me alone. If they did not, I am telling you my mind. If they did not, I gotta call the attention of your husband. Maybe his working place now. Adamarawa, what is going on? What is happening with your wife, with the people, and what is it? And different issues will start arising. Uno happen, Marka. It's my choice. That's what I wished. Oh, and then I don't do you in the other places. My wish is what I want. Nnam no nwe nke ya lụrụ onye Awụsa sef. Nna nke m. So na m gara lụọ onye Awụsa. It's not a crime. It's choice. Nna m lụgide lụọ onye Awụsa. Ask. Jụọ onye ọla onye Ihube ka ha gwa gị. And ụmụ ya, ụmụ the woman ụkwụ ụmụnne m were all together. Na mụrụ ụmụ ịrakwa ụmụ malụmajiri ụmụ nwa n'ala Igbo. Mbontabọla, they can still come to ala Igbo. So why all this stigma? Why? Why all this? The more you guys are doing this, the more all these things is causing more problem. Wando tsugi, everybody should pay his day. I don't even want to go far on this thing again. Yawuru na genwa within digging a hapo came out and do the rightful thing. Can we dozier this thing? The whole thing with Akama Kageshi women everything. But I don't know. Because just tell your people to leave me alone. Half in a pomo alamanjiri, half in a body uncircumcised, half all these things. And this is why I wanted us to go to the justice. So that Kanyagi boundaries of where you're not supposed to cross. onwekwe nke a ga-enye m enyekwe m ya. That is what it is. And not even only me. Ị gacha ya lọta, ị ga-tread with caution. Gị na ndị ọdọ na-emegodi ihe. Gị nwa ị ga-asụlatazi. Gị nwa on your own, ị ga-asị, no, let me not go far. And then we are all aging. Every day we age. Every day we go close to our graves. Even if we're destined to live 100 years, 150 years, 80 years, or whatever. But every day we sleep and wake up, we are getting there. The day, the month, the hour is reducing. It doesn't worth it. And we all got kids. Wow, onye ọwụna ị na-eme ga-echetakwana. Ụkwata azụ ma nọrọzie. Ihe m metere ọ ga-abịa sowe ụmụ m. Ihe mụnwa metere a ga-eji echụwa ụmụ m. Nobody knows. That's why ụwa ị na-eme gị na-eche ihu gị na-eche azụ. Be calming down. Take it easy. What do you mean? It could be anybody at any given time. Oh, when they na-alakwu na ha ga-etete. Oh, when they ga-arịa ha ụtaka nke ha si wee dị. Oh, when they so many ways. Owu ya wụrụ mmadụ echi ka ihe mmadụ ga-akọ. Nne, take care easy. Please. Ịgacha nka, lọta nka. Ya wụrụ ma ndị a ha gị na ha nso ada agwa gị okwu. Take care easy. Take care.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like and comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section. Tell me what you think on the comment section, and subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. God bless you.